Assalamualaikum and hi everybody, it's Emma here. So today we are going to learn something that is near to you, that is commercial bank. And this lesson is divided into two parts. First, we are going to look at the overview of the commercial bank, and in part 2, we will look at how bank makes money. You might have heard of bank, but do you know there are many types of bank? The one which we normally deal with is retail banks. Other types of bank include commercial banks, investment banks, central bank, credit unions, online banks, mutual banks, and saving and loan bank. By right, different banks serve different purposes. However, today it is difficult to find dividing line between these banks. Remember that I told you, as individual, we normally deal with retail banks. Here are the famous ones in Malaysia. You may have deposited your money in Maybank, the largest bank in Malaysia, or you may also have checking accounts in CIMB. Maybank, CIMB, Bank Islam do not only keep our money but also offers loan and credit cards. In Malaysia, we refer the retail bank as commercial banks. Here, commercial banks do not only perform retail bank services, it also provides service to businesses involving managing payments for customer, provide credits to manage cash flows, and offer foreign exchange service if your company do business with overseas partner. What does commercial bank do? The functions range from accepting our deposits to facilitate its competitor, that is other bank. Banks can also create credit by offering short-term and long-term loans. As they are profit-making business, they have obligation, therefore, provide payment facilities. With internet, all traditional banking can be done online, where customer could perform the functions by themselves. Notwithstanding the fact that internet banking saves bank lots of cost, it also exposes bank to internet-related risk such as online theft, hacking, virus attacks, and so on. In Malaysia, commercial banks are put under the Central Banks or Bank Negara Malaysia supervision. Under Bank Negara, financial institutions are divided into banking institutions, non-bank financial intermediaries, and financial markets. Under banking institutions, apart from commercial banks, we also have banks operated under Islamic principles, merchant banks, finance companies, discount houses, and foreign bank representatives. Let's see an example. Take Maybank. Normally, we only deal with Maybank if we want to withdraw our money or perform some retail errands. That part of Maybank is commercial banking part. Maybank also has investment banks, which falls under financial market. It also has insurance business, which falls under non-bank financial intermediaries. So, what I want to show here, we have to make sure which financial company we want to deal with when we want either to deposit our money, take loans, purchase insurance, or buying shares. Let us recap. By definition, a commercial bank is a financial institution which performs the functions of accepting deposits from general public and giving loans for investment. So, how does bank survive? Like any other business, bank is built with the aim of earning profit. In fact, commercial banks, as their name suggests, are profit-seeking institutions. They do banking business to earn profit. They generally finance trade and commerce with short-term loans. They charge high rate of interest from borrowers but pay much less rate of interest to their depositors, with the results that the difference between the two rates of interest becomes the main source of profit of the banks. In part 2, we will take a look at what are behind banks, what items are in bank's account. From there, we can understand how bank runs its business. Thank you.